Hey guys, today's video, I'm going to be showing you a toolkit that pops out. And be careful if you have one of these
It is safely. Don't you worry, it is safe.
But don't cut yourself. So, I'm taking out all the things. But I can't. Because some of them are dangerous. Well, if you're a kid from school and your parents should have safety scissors, well, look no further. Toolkit comes with a free safety scissor. Cool. Turn it around.
What do you mean, turn it around? Give us details!
If you want to open a box, oh, look no further. A knife. There's actually a lot of knives. If you want to measure something and cut at the same time, well, here it is, baby. So that's it for this video. Hey, I'll see you next time. And next time, I'll show some Halloween stuff. Bye!